Hi guys, welcome to Mamta's channel and today's transforming part 3 my house, and this is the thing I'm adding, that is sofa, blinds and wallpaper. So here you can see my sofa. It is custom made sofa. The color is rose gold and it's little pinkish look, and it's really comfortable and it's really good. And then I added instead of screen or a curtain, I added a simple custom blind, which is like okay to my wall color. So it's very light color which I have taken. If you like, comment below. And also have added wallpaper, so which looks really beautiful, and it made my hall look cozy and beautiful. So if you like this video and my part 1, part 2 and part 3, watch my complete video, comment below and like and share to your friends. Thank you.